guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing about common admission test, that is CAT 2020. First of all, the very first question which comes in our mind is that is this examination is going to be conducted or not? So now the answer is yes, it is being conducted and the date has already been announced. So basically the date is 29th of November 2020 and you will be getting your admit cards from 28th of October 2020 and it will be available till 29th of November. So now, as we already know that the registration has already started and we are going to have the examination this year. So what is the second step we should be knowing? The eligibility criteria. So let's just go through the eligibility criteria of the particular examination. Now coming to eligibility criteria, the first criteria is, the first good thing is that there is no age bar. So now as you are graduated or pursuing graduation, that is if you are in third year of your graduation, you can apply for the examination, or you have completed your post graduation or have 10 years of experience, you can still sit for the exam. Or if you are pursuing your graduation, like if you are in third year of your graduation, you can sit for this particular exam. The very second thing is that you should be awarded with at least 50% in your graduation, in your UG, if you are from unreserved category. And if you are from reserved category, then the percentage comes down to 45%. In reserved category, it comes SC, ST and PWD. Okay. Now the third point is that your degree should be awarded with any of the recognized university or education institution which is incorporated by the Act of Parliament, or if your university is deemed university, then it should be coming in section 3 of UGC Act 1956. Third thing is that if you are in the second year or first year of graduation, you cannot sit for the examination. For that you have to be pursuing the third year, or you have to be graduated from your UG program. And now I would also like to tell you about the registration fees. The registration fees is 1000 rupees for the reserved category and 2000 rupees for the unreserved category. Now I hope the things are pretty much clear to you. If you are planning to give your CAT this year, then don't worry, the CAT is near. After 2 months your examination would be there. So all the best for your examination. Do very well, and do like, share and subscribe our channel, as we are planning to give you a detailed information about all the colleges. You will be getting all the information which is required for your college selection. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.